If you don't like studying but still want to improve your English, then stick around. We've got the top 5 online courses just for you. First up, Coursera's Speak English Professionally, a 5-week program from the Georgia Institute of Technology, perfect for fluency, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Plus, it's free. Next, Udemy's English speaking course, great for learning grammar and tons of practice material, available for beginners and intermediates at a budget-friendly price. Third, Skilling U's English Bolo Bedhadak, a startup focusing on accessible education, free of cost, packed with quality content, and perfect for those starting from scratch. Fourth, the British Council, renowned and prestigious, offers both offline and online options, focusing on pronunciation and daily conversation skills, worth the investment. Lastly, Perfectly Spoken, free to enroll with flexible levels. Upgrade anytime if you need a challenge. Whichever course you choose, you'll be leveling up your English skills in no time. Happy learning!